The lamp is made from oak plywood and also oak veneer. Now once I have the plywood clamped and secure in place, I can now check both corners just to make sure that I have a straight reference. This just helped to minimize the overall cutting surface, so I'm relying on my framing square to help me square things up. I then measure 3 inches from each corner and put a mark in place. Next, I'm gonna grab a paint can, or you can grab a bucket. No matter what it is, you just wanna create that arch in the corner. Now, although this may not be 100% accurate when it comes to the shape for all that matter, I felt that this would help me improve technique and also give me the confidence to try different designs. Now, the quickest way for me to make this cut is just grabbing my jigsaw and just go to work and just try to stay as close as I can to the line, but outside the line, because I plan to use the sander to sand down to the line. And of course, if you have a bandsaw, you can also just use the bandsaw to cut this down as well. Now, the closer and closer I get to cutting out the entire shape, I'm gonna start losing support on the other end. So what I wanna do is just clamp that in place, so once I do make the final cut, the clamp will hold it and prevent it from falling on the floor. So I'm not gonna sand this shape down to the line that I previously had marked on it, but you can also use a belt sander or an orbital sander, but I feel like a disc sander would be the best choice when it comes to cleaning this up. So if you don't have a router, you can duplicate 3 of these using the same method. However, if you do have a router, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate the same piece in a quicker manner using a flush cut bit.